Bini.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Opo, sige, hindi pa namin alam kung ano pa dapat. Ano mo yun, nararamdaman halo-halo na po, pero sige, try natin. Let's go. First of all, thank you, Billboard PH, for this award. For 3 consecutive years, Billboard PH has always supported us as an artist. Started in 2024 as Rising Stars of the Year, 2025 as Women of the Year, and this year, Powerhouse honoree. Thank you so much. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, we didn't fully understand what a Powerhouse award really meant. Pero kanina habang pinapakinggan namin yung meaning niya, nakakakilabot po kasi there are moments where we doubt ourselves. Tama po si Miss Yang. Talagang, there are moments where we doubt ourselves, pero itong moment na to, it reminded us na ang success, hindi yan na measure sa numbers. Hindi yan sa dami ng sumisigaw sa'yo, hindi yan sa laki ng followers mo, wala yan doon. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day kahit mahirap. It's about creating songs even when no one is listening. It's about keep going when no one is watching. And it's about standing strong, especially as women in this industry. Thank you ABS-CBN. Thank you to our music label, Star Music. Maraming salamat po sa brands na naniniwala sa amin. Pen Shop, thank you. And to our Blooms na talagang all out sumuporta, thank you po. And of course, again, thank you so much Billboard PH for always uplifting Filipino artists and Filipino music. Again, we are Bini at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
Give it up for Bini! And of course, how excited they're going to be representing the Philippines at Coachella really, really soon! That is crazy. I love it.